Hello.
Hi.
Whee!
Hello.
Oh my God. Hi.
Oh my God, hi.
Now, please, I know we've got so much to talk about, but please tell me you're watching The Bachelor.
No, I was only watched half an hour and I've taped the rest. Why is it so good?
Oh my God, it is so good this year. I know you loved last season, and you will
Oh my
love.
God, I loved it.
I know.
Loved it, like, so much.
I know,
Like,
you
I
loved
didn't
it.
miss an episode.
And Osha,
but
you
I
know,
love-
you're actually going to love this. Okay, so you know how the first eps are all about the cocktail parties?
Yeah.
So how's this? You know how he's all clean living and vegan and whatever?
Yeah.
My friend is doing the publicity on the show. You're just going to love it
Yeah.
so hard. So
Oh my God, tell me.
apparently, you know how they're like totally always topping up cocktails and champagne and stuff?
Yeah.
Apparently he got on it a bit, and I just can't even believe this happened, but he flashed. He took his pants down and got his doodle out.
What?
Yes, yes. And he did it in the back of a really crucial scene between the Bachelor and one of the girls, like, I don't know, Parmigiana
Oh my
or something.
God.
Yeah. So they actually couldn't edit it out, and they've just pixelated over his doodle.
Oh my God. Are you serious?
I am-
That one come on.